So today I am finally doing something that I have been procrastinating for literally months. I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering my messy AF closet. Also, I'm going to be selling most of the clothes on my Depop, so make sure you guys follow me on there. I'll have a link to it in the description box. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you guys what my closet looks like. So this is my closet. I'm honestly so embarrassed to show you guys. I had this like little hanging drawer thing, but it broke off because I had too much clothes. There is no organization here. Everything's kind of like tossed into a little pile, and if I take one piece of clothing from here, everything just like falls apart, so I'm like super nervous. So yeah, that is my closet before. I've decided that I'm going to take off everything that's on my hangers and see if I want to keep them or sell them, and if I'm keeping them, I'm going to decide if they should stay on a hanger or if they should be folded up and put either on the top layer or the bottom layer. Let's do this. I need some music. Hey Google, play the music.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Let's go. Funniest thing just happened. You know this little pile over here? Yeah, when I was grabbing clothes from the hangers, it literally collapsed all over the floor. And that's what I meant by I can't grab anything from the closet without things falling, because this just happened. I've taken everything that was on the hangers off my rack thing. They are now on my bed. So now I'm going to sort through these and figure out what I want to keep, what I want to sell, and what I want to donate. I've managed to sort my hanger clothes with what I want to sell and what I want to keep. All of this is what I'm keeping, and this little section over here is what I'm going to be selling on Depop. I think what I want to do now, since pretty much all my clothes that were at the bottom have collapsed onto my floor, I'm going to put all the clothes that are on my hangers that I want to keep back into my closet, and I'm going to try, keyword is try, color coordinate them a little bit so there's some kind of organization, because we're trying to be organized here. Let's see how that goes. So I just put up the clothes that I want to keep on my hanger. I will go through like my organization process like at the end. Now it's time to tackle this gigantic pile at the bottom. I've been looking for this denim jacket, literally, I kid you not, everywhere. Selling. Oh my god guys, these are my Ravenclaw PJs that I got from Typo. I was looking for this. Okay, we have found our first piece of clothing that is going in the donate pile. You can tell I'm a bit hungry. I'm gonna have my donate pile right over there. This was the graduation bear that I made for my primary school graduation. How cute. Oh my gosh. We're definitely keeping her. I feel like this top should go on a hanger. Is this my hanger pile? Yes. What is this? I'd never wear that. Oh my god. Cringe. I think I'm gonna donate this. Donate. Oh my gosh, this is my Bart Simpson sweater that I got from the op shop years ago for $8. I've been looking for this. This is definitely going in my hanger. These are more jeans. My arms are tired. I kind of want to keep this mesh top because it looks really cool. This would be such a cute like festival top over like a bralette or something, so I'm gonna keep it. Someone honestly take me to a festival. Dude, what the heck, this is so cute. Why have I never seen half of these clothing pieces? These shorts I DIY'd for my year 12 swimming carnival. I dressed up as Patrick Star. Obviously like Patrick wears like green shorts with like the purple patches. I got these khaki shorts and I DIY'd the purple little patches. I feel like I don't need it, but like I want to keep it for like all time's sake, except there's some kind of staining on here. I don't know what it is, but I'm keeping her for memorabilia to show that I can DIY. Oh my gosh, these trackies would be ideal for my Instagram feed. I'm not really a trackies person, but like I love being comfy. Oh my gosh guys, how cute is this little jumper? It's got like tacos, burgers and chips all over it. I got this in Forever 21 when I was in Malaysia. My Halsey tour t-shirt that I got for her Hopeless Fountain Kingdom tour. Oh my gosh, I was looking everywhere for this as well. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look how tiny this is. Cute, but I don't think I'll ever wear it, so great. So I think I've just been sitting here for literally 20 minutes cleaning out my bottom, and most of it, this side's like pretty much like completely empty. This is my bed situation. I think I'm just gonna get up and figure out what I want to keep at the bottom so I can start like filling it up so I'm not like overwhelmed with everything that I have around me right now. I feel like this section right here, I want to keep some of my winter pajamas right here. Alrighty, so I've just put some of my winter PJs right here. I actually have a whole like pajama little drawer section just in here, but I did keep the ones that can't fit into here that I don't reach for as often. So just right here, I'm thinking of keeping my bottoms, like my jeans, trousers and stuff, and then all the way far like to the back I'm gonna keep clothes that I don't wear as often but things that I still kind of want to keep, like the shorts that I DIY'd. It has been like over an hour and a half now. My camera died, so I just put it on charge. So look at this, it is so much cleaner. I still have like all those clothes like on the floor. I'm going to start cleaning out the top layer just up there. Top shelf is now all clear. Some of the clothes have fallen onto the floor, some of them's on my bed. By the way, that is my selling pile right there. Anyways, now I'm gonna go through the clothes that I just took out from the top layer and figure out if I want to sell, keep or donate anything. found my One Direction jumper. If you're a 1D fan, I'm gonna be selling this jumper on Depop. So it is now 7:30 p.m, which means I've literally been cleaning my closet for a good 6.5 hours, and I have finally finished. This massive clothes pile is everything that I'm going to be selling on my Depop, which will be linked down below. And then these two fully packed garbage bags are filled with clothes that I'm going to be donating. And now I'm going to be showing you guys the final reveal of my clean closet, and I'll be showing you guys like how I organized it, or like tried to organize it. A little closet tour. Up here I've got all my turtlenecks. Over here I've got some graphic t-shirts that didn't fit in my dresser, so I just popped them here. Then here I have my crew necks and long sleeve graphic tees. Then over here I've got my knitted jumpers. Over here I've got my darker colored hoodies. Moving on to my little hanger rack. This little section is where I keep all the t-shirts that I got from concerts. So for example, I've got Halsey, I've got Taylor Swift, I've got Shawn Mendes. Then here I have my 3 most worn belts. I tried to kind of color coordinate it. I don't think it really worked out, but this is where I keep my most worn tops. So like you guys would have seen this white top that I wear in literally every single Instagram photo. So I have all my whites and creams up here. Then I've got more of my pinks over here, reds, greens. Then I've got, I don't even know, this is kind of a bit random. Then over here I've just got more of my jumpers and my winter tops. So I've got whites, I've got blue, yellow, pinks and purple. My most worn scarf here, oh my gosh, it actually looks like a mess on camera, but I swear it's clean. I have a few jackets and cardigans. All along here I've got more of my dressy dresses, and moving up to the front is where I've got more of my day dresses. Like I've got like overalls, cotton linen dresses, all that fun stuff. And moving on down here, I've got my winter pajamas here. I've got my jeans down here. I tried to go from dark wash to lighter wash. Then I have all my leggings down here. I have way too many. Then here I've got like other kind of pants, like sweatpants, plaid pants, work trousers, all that stuff. Then down there I have more like memorabilia stuff. Here it's a little bit of a mess, but I have like all my tights. And then here is where I keep all my socks, so then I don't lose them. Then here I've got more socks. I've got some gloves, and I've got some socks that are missing a pair. Hey guys, editing Mariam here. I forgot to film an outro, so I thought I would just quickly pop on here to end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching, and hopefully it gave you some motivation to clean out your closet or clean your room or just your space in general. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single week. Also check out my Depop if you want to buy any of my clothes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!